In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and modify a text layer in Adobe Photoshop. So head on down to the T icon, click anywhere on the document, and you should be able to start typing. In this instance, I'm going to type the words percussive progress. Now the writing will appear quite small as standard. So what you will need to do is zoom in using the zoom tool, bottom left, press on the zoom in icon, and zoom in until you can see your writing more clearly. Then you need to head on back to the type tool, select your text, and then you'll have these options to change the color. So have a go at changing the color. You'll also have some options to change the point size. So you can change it to 72, and you can use the move tool to move it back. And you should be able to resize that too. Then if you press the T tool again and press return, you can have the writing on two separate lines. If you hit the paragraph tool over here to the right, you can go to character and you can adjust what's called the leading, so the gap between the words percussive and progress. So you can see me adjusting the point size between the two words, and that is the space between the two words. So you can really tighten up the design so the two words don't seem separate. If you click here, you can cycle through different fonts. So pick a font that you think suits the text that you're writing. So the text I'm going to pick, Agency, just happens to be the first one. That looks quite futuristic to me, retro futuristic. So now I could press the move tool and resize until it's the right size. The thing is, it looks a bit lost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some extra effects here. So let me just put it into place. And then what you can do is double click anywhere on the blue bar where the text tool is, and you'll get these layer style options. So what you can do is every time you tick one of the boxes on the left of this window, it will apply the standard version of that filter. If you highlight the word, as I'm doing now, it brings up a new set of options in that window. And the best thing to do is to just explore until you make some mistakes. The only way you can do it is by exploring each layer style and see what you come up with. So you have bevel and emboss, you have drop shadows, inner shadows, color overlays. Now some clash with others, but you can always untick the box to remove that layer style. Good thing about this is that it is non-destructive. So what you'll see is not what you're left with. You can always hide it so you can't actually see it. But yep, have a go, work your way down this list, tick in the boxes. I've made an orange outer glow, add a bevel and emboss as well, made a pink overlay, and yeah, and then reposition it. It might work, it might not. Hit apply, and do not forget to save. Keep saving at every interval.